Hello icons! Wondering what are we going to learn today? Let's find out. Today we are going to learn about demonstrative pronouns. What are demonstrative pronouns? Demonstrative pronouns are the words that are used for pointing things. The words like this, that, these and those are known as demonstrative pronouns. Now look at this. We use this and these when we are talking about the things which are near us. And we use the words that and those when we are talking about the things which are far from us. You all know what are singular nouns and plural nouns. So we use this and that when we are talking about one person, animal or a thing. And we use demonstrative pronouns these and those when there are more than one person, animal or a thing. Let's see a few examples. What is this? This is an apple. Since there is only one apple and it is near us, we will use the demonstrative pronoun this. This is an apple. Now look at this picture. How many apples are there? There is only one apple and it is far from us. So we will use the demonstrative pronoun that. That is an apple. In this picture you can see there are many apples and they are near us. So we will use the demonstrative pronoun these, saying these are apples. And in this picture there are many apples but they are far from us. So we will use the demonstrative pronoun those, saying those are apples. Here is another example. Now what is this? This is a sandwich. Since there is only one sandwich and it is near us, we will use the demonstrative pronoun this. Now what is that? That is a banana. There is only one banana and it is far from us. So we will use demonstrative pronoun that, writing that is a banana. Now look at this picture. What are these? These are sandwiches. There are more than one sandwich and they are near the boy. So we will say these are sandwiches. So which demonstrative pronoun we used here? We used these. Okay. So now look at this picture. What are those? Those are bananas. And how many bananas are there? There are many bananas. So since there are many bananas and it is far from us, we will say those are bananas using the demonstrative pronoun those. Now look at this picture. What is this? This is a pencil. So how many pencils are there? There is only one pencil and it is near the boy. So we will use the demonstrative pronoun this, saying this is a pencil. Now what is that? That is a pencil. We use the demonstrative pronoun that because there is only one pencil and it is far from the boy. Now look at another example. What is this? This is a flower. How many flowers are there? There is only one flower and it is near the girl. So we will use the demonstrative pronoun this, writing this is a flower. Now what is that? That is a flower. Since there is only one flower and it is far from the girl, we will use the demonstrative pronoun that is a flower. Now look at this example. What is this? This is my home. What is that? That is your home. Now, can you make out the difference? We use this and that because here the house is near the boy. So we will use the demonstrative pronoun this. And here, since the house is far from the boy, so we will use the demonstrative pronoun that, saying that is your home. Look at few more examples. What are these? These are books. Now did you notice that there are many books, more than one, right? So which demonstrative pronoun we will use here? We will say these are books because there are many books and they are near the girl. So we will use the demonstrative pronoun these. What are those? Those are books. So we use demonstrative pronoun those because there are many books and they are far from the girl. Now look at this picture. What are these? These are my toys. So there are many toys in this box and they are near the boy. So we will use the demonstrative pronoun these, saying these are my toys. What are those? Those are my clothes. Now, did you notice that there are many clothes and they are far from the boy? So we will use the demonstrative pronoun those, saying those are my clothes. Now look at this example. What are these? These are flowers. Since there are many flowers and they are near the girl, we will use the demonstrative pronoun these, saying these are flowers. What are those? Those are plants. So there are many plants, right? And they are far from the girl. So we will use the demonstrative pronoun those are plants. So I hope you all understood that when we have to use the words like this, that, these and those. Let's see what is today's learning engagement. Task 1 is you will do exercise 1 and 3 from page numbers 35 and 36 in your English grammar book, and in the journal you will write down the given sight words and try writing a sentence for each of them. And what are the words? They are saw, say, that, this and they. Until then, happy learning. Bye. That's all for today.